Hi everyone, welcome to this second video of pronunciation drill. In this video we will be learning A letter words and their correct pronunciation. So this is the second part of pronunciation series. Today we will learn how to pronounce the words which start with letter A. So let's start. In this video you have to focus on your pronunciation. Try to practice these words 3-4 times to get the right pronunciation, and try to use these words in your language to get a good command over your communication skills and to make your language more beautiful. So let's begin. Academics. Friends, here you have to emphasize on capital letter words like academics, academics, academy, academy, address or address, address or address, adjustable. Here D is silent, so you have to say adjustable, adjustable. Then agency, agency, agency. Then agree, agree. Then air, air like care. So friends, here you have to remember, wherever there is a vowel before R, so R should not be pronounced. So air, care, good morning. We don't say good morning. Good morning is a wrong pronunciation. You should say good morning sir, good morning ma'am, then water, teacher, lawyer, car. So R will not be pronounced in these types of words where vowel comes before R. Next, allergy, allergy. Here R is not pronounced. Allergy. Then already, already. Here we are using R because there is a vowel after R. So already. Then apologize, apologize. Then appreciation, appreciation. Alternative, alternative. Appropriate, Arabic, Arabic. Ask, ask. Assess. Here it's a capital letter, so you have to emphasize on this. Assess, asset, asset. Asthma. It's not asthma, it's asthma. You should say asthma. Then atmosphere. It's atmosphere. The way you speak out mosquito. Don't say mosquito. It's wrong. You should say mosquito. Atmosphere. Then arrive. Let's practice it once more. I hope you are enjoying this pronunciation drill. Let's practice it once more. Academics. Academy. Address. Address. Adjustable. Agency. Agree. Care. Air. Air, care, good morning, water, lawyer, chauffeur, allergy, already, apologize, apologize, appreciation, alternative, appropriate, Arabic, ask, assess, asset, assess and asset. Asthma, atmosphere, mosquito, arrive. So these are some words which you can use into your language and practice these words. It will help you out to improve your communication skills, and if you make your pronunciation right or correct or sharp, then it will help you out to get the new look to your language. So thank you very much friends for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this session of pronunciation drills, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest videos on your screen. Have a nice day. Bye bye.